Now let us see few examples. Find the volume of a cube and cuboid whose sides are given below. So let us take one example, that is C1. Side is given as 8.3 centimeter. We have to find the volume of the cuboid. The formula is side into side into side. I substitute the value 8.5 into 8.5 into 8.5. When I multiply all these three, I get it as 614.125 cubic centimeter. Now let us see finding volume of a cuboid B1. The length is given as 7 centimeters, breadth is given as 12 centimeters, and the height is given as 24 centimeters. So the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. When I multiply 7 into 12 into 24, I get 2016 cubic centimeter. In this slide, we will see finding volume with a word problem. The first one is simple. What is the length of the each side of a cube with volume 125 cubic centimeter? Now we know that the volume is given as 125, which is the volume of a cube, and we need to find the side. For this, as we know the side are all same, we need to know a number which when multiplied 3 times by itself will give you 125. So I get the side as 5 centimeters. Let us see this example. How many cartons with length 40 centimeter, breadth 30 centimeter, and height 25 centimeter can be packed in a container truck whose length, breadth, and height are 6 meter, 3 meter, and 3 meter respectively? Now children, if you remember, this is the same kind of sum which is asking me the number of cartons. So as I told, but this time we are dealing with 3 dimensions, that is length, breadth, and height. So that means we are dealing with the volume. In this case, we will be dividing the volume of a bigger thing by a volume of a smaller thing. So now I know that the truck is bigger than the small cartons. So first I will see the volume of a truck container, and then I will see the volume of the carton, and then I will divide it to get the number of cartons. Let us see the volume of a carton, that is 40 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 25 centimeter, length into breadth into height, that gives me 30,000 cubic centimeter. Now the length, breadth, and height of the truck container is given as 6 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. We can also convert it in, we have to convert it into centimeters. So after converting into centimeter, I'll get 600, 300, and 300 centimeter. I'll apply the formula for the same. Length into breadth into height is equals to 600 into 300 into 300, which will give me 5 crore 40 lakh cubic centimeter. Now the number of cartons formula will be volume of a container truck divided by volume of carton. So 5 crore 40 lakh divided by 30,000 will give me 1,800. That means I am going to require 1,800 containers to put it in the container truck. Let us see the last question. It is same as the earlier one. How many packets of biscuits with length 10 centimeters, breadth 5 centimeters, height 4 centimeter can be packed in a carton whose length is 50 centimeter, breadth is 30 centimeter, and height is 20 centimeter? Again, I need to know the number of packets of biscuits. Now I have been given the measurements of the packet of biscuit, and I have been given the measurement of a big carton. Here the carton is big, so I will be dividing the volume of a carton by the volume of the biscuit packet. So let us see now the measurements of carton is 50, 30, 20. The formula is length into breadth into height. I'll get 30,000. The volume of biscuit packet is 10 into 5 into 4, which is 200. Now I divide the volume of carton with the volume of packet. That will give me 30,000 divided by 200, which is equals to 150. Thus 150 packets of biscuits can be packed.